Hello, you are welcome to my YouTube channel. In this video, we'll be looking at how to start a Chevy Cavalier without a key. One of the most pressing problems vehicle owners face today emanates from the vehicle's key lock systems. It is so frustrating losing your vehicle's keys as you tear your car apart, your purse, or even your home in search of your lost keys. Although, you would probably begin to wonder how possible it could be to start your Chevy Cavalier without a key. The Chevy Cavalier has a simple key unlock system inasmuch as most other manufacturers' vehicles have made it difficult and complex to start their cars without its original key, limiting vehicle theft opportunities. On the other hand, the driver or the owner has the assured security possible. But before we continue, please remember to subscribe to my channel, like, and share this video. Contemporarily, there are methods of bypassing the manufacturer's security and having access to your vehicle without the key if the situations call for that. Possibly, these situations that could have arisen for assessment of your Chevy Cavalier without the key are, when you lose your key and have no access to the spare, or when you have a faulty ignition switch. So far, I will examine and explore the typical issues, how to start a Chevy Blazer without a key, how to start a Cavalier without a key, and more to enhance your understanding of accessing your Chevy Cavalier when the need arises. How to start a 2002 Chevy Cavalier without a key. If you can't get to order a new key from your dealer online, call an automotive locksmith that offers a mobile service for Chevy Cavalier, or even tow it to your dealer. Your 2002 Chevy Cavalier requires you to carry out the procedure red coil technique since it is a simple key lock system. Let's get straight to the steps. 1. Open your vehicle's hood while searching for the ignition coil, red coil wire. 2. Use a jumper starter cable to connect the battery's positive terminal to the red coil wire, or you could do it directly as you slightly cut 2 mm of their insulation. Your car will begin to receive power. 3. Locate another red coil beneath the steering wheel as you open it. 4. Gently place the metal end of your screwdriver against the wire as you hold the insulated end to avoid being shocked. Inasmuch as this technique is simple, it requires you to have comparable knowledge as a mechanic for effective results. Why does my car start without a key? It is tricky, but your car would start without a key if you're able to identify yourself with some techniques or ways of doing such. Having been in a desperate situation or having lost your keys, both original and spare, could constitute this option of starting your vehicle without a key. Although, these temporary techniques would be functional until you get hold of the spare or have a locksmith make a new key. Perchance, I will explore a few methods on why your car starts without a key. Use of screwdriver. This technique is the easiest way to start your car without a key. You need a flathead screwdriver and a drill if necessary. So far, this technique applies to how to start a Cavalier without a key. Procedure. 1. It would be best if you use the screwdriver to remove the screws from the keyhole on the steering column as you remove the plastic rim. 2. Pull off the bolts holding the ignition switch as you unlock your steering wheel. 3. Take away the screws that are holding the ignition components. 4. Gently start the car by inserting the screwdriver into the ignition as you turn it. Use of scissors. This technique could potentially damage your ignition if you don't perform it with proper care. Procedure. 1. Fit the thin blade of little scissors into the keyhole of the ignition. 2. Move the thin blade of the scissors around until you can feel it settles. 3. If you feel the thin blade of the scissors is spotted rightly, twist it if your car starts. Use of hammer and flathead screwdriver. Using a hammer and screwdriver is also an effective and simple technique to start your vehicle without a key. Almost care is paramount in order not to cause permanent damage to your car's ignition switch. Procedure. 1. Place the screwdriver in the keyhole carefully. 2. Break the pins as you hit the screwdriver with the hammer. 3. Use the screwdriver to turn the ignition. Can a locksmith make a car key without the key? Of course, yes. The locksmith can make a vehicle's key even if you, the driver, have lost or misplaced both the spare and original key. Essentially, I would advise you to go to a locksmith for cost effect rather than your vehicle's dealer. Perchance, doing it at the locksmith would require vital information indicating that you own the car. Here are some details needed by the locksmith. 1. Make and model of vehicle. 2. Proof of ownership. 3. Type of key, if the key is traditional, transponder, intelligent, digital, and more. 4. VIN, vehicle's identification number. Note that you can find the VIN of your vehicle In the user manual, driver side dashboard, side doorpost, stamped on the metal frame, or under the bonnet. In addition, if you suspected someone stole your vehicle's key, the locksmith would reprogram your car so that the old key would no longer be practical. In conclusion, it is noteworthy that you depend on your Chevy Cavalier for your day-to-day activities. Most people, if not all, might not go to work without the keys to their vehicles. However, losing your vehicle's key is like a nightmare, but if you have, don't panic, you can find your way around it. Although, you must notify your vehicle's dealer, manufacturer, or locksmith to have a new key. Perchance the earlier options are not possible. Techniques such as hot wiring, use of a screwdriver, use of scissors, red coil, and more could be necessary for you to move out of an unsafe place. On the other hand, if you are unfamiliar or experienced with vehicles, it would be wise to contact your certified mechanic to assist you professionally. Hopefully, the above work should put you through to finding solutions to lost vehicle keys. This is all we've got in today's video. Please don't forget to subscribe to my channel, like, and share this video. Thanks for watching. See you next time.